channel that engine 101 is on. Copy, thanks.
Single vehicle MVC, looks minor in nature. I've stood down Rocky View, engine 101. Engine 20, engine 33 are going to be on scene for a little bit here.
Copy 33. Located incident just prior to the exit to Highway 8 there. And stood down Rocky View Fire Services.
Echo structure fire. Echo high-rise structure fire.
Possible structure fire. Echo structure fire.
Echo residential structure fire.
Possible structure fire.
Echo residential structure
The units for the second alarm are
Echo commercial industrial structure fire. Echo high-rise structure fire.
trying to light a fire.
Fire declaring working fire.